Well, I continue to have problems with my air conditioner. You might remember a previous video I made where I had electrical problems, and it turned out that it's probably very simple, just some loose wires, loose screws on the in the power connector on the back of the boat. But I continued to see, or I started noticing that I had some dripping, and I thought the problem with the dripping was that I had a loose hose clamp. Turned out the hose clamp was corroded, and when I went to tighten it, it broke. I don't know if you can see that real well or not, but so then I thought, well, it felt like the hose that connected to the valve was maybe not cut smoothly, had a jagged cut. So I thought, well, I will pull the hose off the valve, the through hole, and put a cleaner cut on it. But when I pulled the hose off the through hole valve for the raw water for the air conditioner, this is what I found. That was the source of my dripping, and it's a good thing that I finally got around to it to fix it. I had to have this removed, which meant the boat had to be hauled out, and I removed it, and with the help of good folks here at Cobb's Marina, put a new valve on it, a new nipple, and this time a hose that actually had wire reinforcement, which is, I understand, what should have been installed in the first place, and the original hose did not. So I'm going to show you what they replaced real quick. So the valve, the hose clamps, all replaced. This time using the proper wire that is the proper hose that is wire reinforced. And you can see that I had a lot of rusty marks from where the water has been dripping for quite a while, and there was another fitting along in here which was plastic, and evidently it was dripping. So a more experienced maintenance person or sailor would have recognized that that was probably an issue, and it should have been replaced when I first purchased the boat, probably. So learn as I go. It's been replaced and it's been fixed now. But like I mentioned, it did require hauling out because I wasn't about to replace this in the water. So it's all working now. The bilge is dry, and I'll learn as I go. Thanks.